Now we have to draw a Venn diagram. Obviously there is A, B and C. So when we draw the Venn diagram, let me make it big. This is question number A. So we have, this is set A, this is set B, and this is set C. The first question is, set A is 96. So this entire circle which is representing set A, that is 96. So set B is 93, set C is 93. All of this refers to the entire set. You have to remember that. So you always start from all the intersection, A intersection B intersection C, right here. So do we have 90 like all three wines? So this particular region is going to be 90. Let me use a different color here. So this is, let this be 90. So we got this. The next one is 93 like A and C. Now when you talk about A and C, we are talking about A intersection C. A intersection C is this entire region. So if this entire region is 93 and this is 90, so this should be 3. So this is done. 91 like B and C. So B and C intersection is this entire region. So if 91 like B and C, so this should be only 1, because 90 plus 1 is 91. We got this down, and A and B is 92. So this is A and B is this one. This is 92. If this is 90, this is 2. Now let's get back. Now the entire circle A is 96. If this entire circle is 96, we already have 90, 93 plus 2, 95. So this one should be 1. Then the entire circle B, the set B is 93. If this set B is 93, this should be 0, because this is already 90 plus 2, 92 plus 1, 93. And set C is 96, so 93, 94, this should be 2, 96. Now remember, this universal set, they have altogether 100 people here. So from 100, if we remove all of these, we'll get what is remaining. So 100 minus, we have 93, 95, 96, 97, 98, 99. So 100 minus 99, this should be 1. So this is the Venn diagram. As a matter of fact, we should give a little universal set symbol here, little E here. It helps. So this is the Venn diagram. So the rest should be very straightforward. B is find the probability. Now we are in back to the basic probability that I mentioned, where we have to find the event divided by sample space. So the first question, none of the three wines. So we know the sample space, meaning the total outcome, is altogether 100 people. Now the event is none like any of the three wines. So there is only one person who does not like any of the sets, that is 1 by 100. In question number 3, we have to like wine A but not wine B. Whenever you have something like this, this refers to in set as intersection prime. When you have an intersection prime, you know what that looks in the Venn diagram. If this is A and this is B, A intersection B prime means this region only. So wine A but not wine B means A intersection B prime, that means this region here. So there are 4 people here where we remove B from the A set. So this is 4. So probability of A but not B, meaning A intersection B prime, you do not have to express it in set notation, but it helps if we use it because it's easier to write. So this is 4 divided by sample space is 100. Question number D. Any wine in the survey except C. So that means it can be any wine except C. So this is the C region, C set. Any wine except C is going to be 1 plus 2 plus 0, that is 3. So that should be probability of, we need A, we need B, but except C. So we can write it as okay, let me not use any set notation. Let me write any but C. It would be 3 divided by 100. If you wanted to write this in set notation, then it would be A and B together except for C. So it can be written as A union B, but from A union B remove C, intersection prime. Anything intersection prime means remove, but this is a bit out of the ordinary, so you don't have to use this notation. The next one is exactly 2. Now exactly 2 refers to A and B. but this region refers to all three. So exactly 2 means only A and B. So only A and B refers to this region. Only A and C exactly 2 refers to this region. You have to understand, if you include this, all three intersection also includes here. So only A and B and only A and C means here. Only B and C refers to here. So it can be, if you want exactly 2, this is going to be only A and B, which is 2, plus only A and C, which is this, plus only B and C, which is going to be this. So this probability is going to be probability exactly 2. So it should be 2 plus 3 plus 1 by 100, which is going to be 6 by 100. Now the final one, given. So let me do it here, F, given. Now given that the person of the survey likes wine 8, remember this, whenever this information is given, this means the total is given. So previously the total was 100 people, but now the total is given A. So given A, in A there are altogether 96 people, so it means the total is going to be 96 now instead of 100. Now out of those 96, we have to find the probability that the person likes C. That means C conditional A, C given A. You have to give this line as a vertical line. So in this A set, how many like C? If you go to this A set, how many of them like C? So 93 people like C. So it's going to be 93.